This is my basement escape hatch. And this is towards the front of the house. But you can see this window well here. There's absolutely no water in it. That's from where the rain splashed through the screen when I left the screen open. But we got an extra with this house, running water in the basement. I gotta put my boots on if I wanna do some working out here. My galoshes. That window well leaks. Singing in the rain, we're singing in the rain. This window well leaks. Most competent builders tie them into the drainage system. And you can hear the water just gushing into something around the foundation. A little extra most competent builders do. I got all the wet cardboard off the floor in the flood zone. You learn from your bad experiences. And you can see that window well's got water in the bottom, not tied into the drainage system in the foundation, courtesy of Buffalo Modular.